How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you didn't check out the last video, we put on the carbon fibre bonnet on the Skyline. Video before that we done the seats, brown red seats. We'll check them out if you haven't seen them. They'll be in my playlist for the whole car. Right, today's plan, we are going up the garage now to do basically a bunch of small things. Not really sure what I'm going to do, but there's loads of little bits to do, so we'll crack on with them. Obviously I'll take you guys along for the ride. We've got the car booked in on the 15th of August. That's the next available spot down at Pro 4M in Plymouth to get some intercooler piping fabricated, a base mat put on the car so it'll actually start, and put the blow off valve on and stuff because they need to weld on like the little bracket that it sits on. All this is TIG welding, which I can't do because Alan's not even got, he's really not got a TIG weld up there anyway, but I don't know how to weld TIG welding anyway. But yeah, so let's get up the garage and let's get cracking on this car. Okay guys, first things first, get these crusty old parts cleaned up, exhaust going on today, and the Simon Carroll. Decat. Boys, we are using some of this 3M fast cut stuff. Alan's like, yeah, try that. I was like, I don't think that's going to work, but that's half of it done with just one quick go over there. But yeah, I'll show you afterwards what it looks like. It's 10 times better than it did anyway. I mean, it's nowhere near perfect, but I was just focused on the back box mostly because that's the only thing you can see from the back, but this slightly harder to clean up. Getting a bit bored now of doing this. Yes, you know it. I cheated because I couldn't be bothered to sand it all down. Basically just satin blacked it. Hammerite, satin black. Obviously I polished that to get that chrome. So it looks like a H-face exhaust, but it's not. I believe this is just a cheap eBay one. It's a while ago I bought it, but it sounds good. And it's not got no holes in it, so we're keeping it for a minute. Later on I'll get a titanium maybe when I've got a spare £1,000 lying around, as you do. But yeah, and also I'm going to put the cat on. Take this off a minute. I've got the cat. I'm going to stick the cat on just for the initial MOT and all that stuff, and then, you know, once that's done, straight pipe, fire and all that whatnot. Let's get it on. Get this exhaust on. Here we go, like that. Go in there. I just wire wheeled all the faces, so that they're nice and flat. If you don't know, I heat wrapped this downpipe the other week. And the turbo elbow up there, if you can see it. So we're good to go.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down.
Hey boys, there you go. He is in. Looks nice and fresh and clean. Glad I painted it because it looks 10 times better than having it chrome. Doesn't last 2 minutes in England with a chrome exhaust. Yes, we have a cat. Yeah, happy days. Okay guys, next on the agenda, all these fuel lines that I fitted a while back, I'm now riv nutting and bolting them to the car. So I have something like that basically. These two close together, bolt through into the car. Do a few of them all the way down. It'll just be a lot tidier. Let's get it done. Okay boys, a bit more done. Smashing it today. Exhaust on. We have riv nutted and what do you call it? Hose clamped all the way down. Have all in there. Hold the power cable on. Big old riv nut here because this is where one of the well, put new metal in from being welded. Where the subframe bolts onto. Yeah, takes longer than what you think, but we're getting there. Happy days. Right guys, that's me at home now anyway. Sorry about cutting the video short, but I had to go and pick the kids up from school. So, exhaust done, fuel lines all clamped up, bit more done, ticking it off the list. Like and subscribe to the channel, there's plenty more to come. I'll catch you in the next one guys, take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm